here in
Yap San Diego Ancestral House. So now here's the picture of the family. The owner. I mean, the owner.
eighth generation.
I mean, the 8th generation of the family of the San Diego. So this house was being owned by Chinese family for the Yap until they got married with the San Diego. So now they are now the owner. This ancestral house was nominated to be the one of the
Seven wonders.
seven
There are
wonders.
wonders
not
of
seven
the
wonders.
South Asia's.
So, ganhi, pwede may makalingkod, pwede may maka-consult video, maka-picture, unless we didn't even do anything. So, this structure was 95% ani walay na usap.
Almost 97.
And until now, this is being used by the of San Diego.
In fact, tonight,
They will be going here.
Yes, every Sunday they're sleeping here.
Ink.
I because believe that this house is the
Haunted.
oldest Chinese house here in Philippines except from China.
Aside from China.
Aside from China.
outside.
Okay.
I told you.
As you can
This
see,
artifact is since 16th century to 1940s, and until now it is still preserved. See, the family of San are very because they
Yeah.
preserve their saints.
dili ka ni haunted diri sa. Ah, sige ko dili.
The present owner of this ancestral house is the San Diego in 8th generation.
This is the exact location, cooking area of the San Diego family.
To modernizing site, jack, backyard garden, original well, 14 feet. Then take a look at the window side. See the rectangle that they used to travel before from here to Mactan. Ato sa garden para makita niyo yung
Mali siya ang original sa unang panahon. Asa mo yung balay?
Can see, ano? That's the boat. Or,
So,
more,
hindi ko maglayat. O lang ba?
Sabay daw.
Ikaw.
bi ako bi.
Wait,
Pwede sabay yun?
What is that? Ayoy uga kay no.
Dali na.
Uy, actually ka na siya, oh. Kita mo na structure kay mo na ilang gamiton, oh. Well, from
Oh, that is the bangka. Dili na siya kanang murag butanganan sa
Ina pareha sa nga butanom.
oh. Bangka
That's
na
really
nila.
a boat. Wishing wheel. Ebony.
original na staircase, yung original nga floor made out from Mulavid, and ang roof, Chinese brick tiles or terracotta tiles, kung sa tuwa pa, tisa. So kada tiles na siya, weighing na more than a kilo per tile.
Oh, we're going upstairs now.
Ang gamit yung materials of their cement,
So you see, skulahan. I mean ang ancestral home mura jud haunted.
ano siya ang main entrance to the right side, living room, left side, family dining area and bedroom, and living aside, dining area.
You know what?
What?
This house is very...
Very-
eight. And then... Oh, I see. I see myself.
Miss, unsay name ni Miss? Unsay nga na ng instrument?
Sige nga na ni.
Harp.
harp.
Can't you see yourself
Facebook?
in the mirror?
Oh, Instagram. Photoshop.
This is a painting of the Karaang Colon.
The old Colon Street.
Translate ron. Living room ta na. Ay, sa living room sa
Manas ng dining.
Their dining.
Limpyo.
Yang kato kay mo to siya ang kuan.
Sungka ta ba?
Dining table ni siya. Yang kato ka kay ng coffee. Coffee.
Sila manginom ng kape, kape.
Ay, wait, isang may nang Oy, kumahala na mo sa ako ang
Muna lang kuan. Coffee table. Dili sila magpahuway. Magpahangin.
Nay hangin.
Ato ka sa kuan na. Sa bedroom ba?
Sa bedroom ka. Process na ko na.
5 minutes na. 6.
Nang dining table. Ang gabi ini kana kung breakfast to dira sila. Ya
Kani
kani
pang
pang
gabi.
formal, ya pang gabi ni siya. Diri na sila.
Ang gabi.
So, preserve jud kay ilang mga plato, bangko, from hagdan to roof, kay wa jud renovation.
Oh, kamera oh. Oh, panguna ko na yun.
Process na.